the size of my spliff. Ooh, it fat like a space rocket. Ooh, I'm not from this damn planet. Ooh, I pop in my Benz spaceship. Ooh.
He goes by the name Lord Cavalli, the newest entertainer on the scene who seems to have his eyes set on Alkaline's position in dancehall. Lord Cavalli was born in Jamaica but migrated to the United Kingdom at a very tender age, and it is alleged that he dabbled in real estate, in which he accumulated most of his earnings.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If you are not yet a part of the Unstoppable family, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, so once we upload a video, you will get that alert. So Alkaline, who likes to use the term young lord, seems to be targeted by the new lord who goes by the name Lord Cavalli, who says that any other lord is a fake.
Don't watch this, we no knock fist. A girl say Janya but I no Baptist.
Yo, you know, say me, the one and only Lord Cavalli. Any and every other lord. I could have whole lord or young lord, a fraud. I could have your landlord. And me are the one and only Lord Cavalli, 2019, man. I'm going to rip up the game. I may have a next thing for talk, boy. You know, say I have some artists, boy, who love talk and hype up themselves with some old beam and some left-hand drive, Benz and dep on that, brother. Right-hand drive, because Jamaica we drive on the left-hand side, so right-hand drive. Them left-hand drive thing, they are salvage them the classes, brother. Them don't value no money, brother. Them they are not a top thing, brother. Someone that talk about Benz. Benz, anybody can say Benz, but what kind of Benz? CLA that not make it, C-class that not make it, CLS man a push, brother. And then a normal thing for me. So me I deal it, know what the thing said, a trick you get trick. So me I deal it, see that thing go dirty 55 AMG. And a normal activity. You see me? Road where I go up on right now, me I'm be able to say, know what the thing said. You see me? Up and running like heaven. Yes, drunk up. Yes, dad.
Now, based on his social media platform, Lord Cavalli appears to be one that enjoys flossing, kinda similar to that of Flipper Mafia.
See some money, yeah, spend it off. Why ain't me little thing where you are? Me and the Lord, my girl, me and the boss. One Lord, one head top left, my eyes get lit. My brown leg strip, my limit girl strip. When the one good week, with the doctor press.
Now, the entertainer's latest tactic was in a video where he was seen destroying or vandalizing an expensive vehicle just because he was bored.
One lad, and the lad there, you know what thing going, out in the streets. Yeah, man. Lord, everything up, brother.
Up and moving, man. One lord, man, right now. Bored, I feel bored right now. Bored.
Yo, see Jaguar? Got shot-ins, see it there? See Jaguar? Boom! Yo, I want that lad. I want this one.
Good, brother, right now. I broke up this man.
Brother. Yo, lad, how going, lad?
Nothing about brother, I feel bored. Let me tell him. I feel bored, my family.
Yo.
So I just...
Yo. I want to go on people.
No, brother, man. Really very excitement.
Yo.
What the thing set, man. Bored, brother. It's boring. Call me chauffeur and we get that.
Now, people, comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about that specific little video a while ago where Lord Cavalli was seen destroying a Benz. You understand? Talk to me in the comment section. I want to hear your views and your opinion. Alright?
Oh, sorry. Make him talk to the people and we'll get back in our jungle. Mr. 36 for our 33 for our cap money. Buy the money, people. Cash buy. One Lord.
Now on to another topic, dancehall entertainer Savage.
Me tell them, my bleaching, my clean skin, my cream skin, make me get enough gal, me not the bag of preaching that.
Savage uploaded this photograph to his Instagram platform minutes ago with only the caption, "Just had surgery done, please pray for me." He did not disclose what kind of surgery or what was wrong with his eyes, but only requested prayers of his fans. Now viewers, as soon as we get more updates on what really happened with Savage, we're gonna come forward and give you that information as well. Or we don't know if it's another publicity stunt type of thing. But moving right along. Savage, your prayers You ask for it, you go get it. Alright, now viewers, I want to bring on that little youth because I come across that video and I feel like the youth talented. And when we find talent, we have to bring talent to the forefront. So what I want to do right now is check out that youth here, where I do some multiplication, addition, subtraction, and division in our song.
Hello class, my name is Gila, and today we're going to do some simple mathematics, isn't it? Make sure you pay attention. Boom. Me I tell you man straight like the equation of a line mx plus c that equal to y. Nobody taught me no giant girl something me divide as square root of 9 one time so. At maths time come closer, bend you up like a x square parabola. Baby me know you never hard to read, me know you like the laws of indices. And 2 times 9 equal to your ties make 9 the subject and your ties divide in a 2. So the 9 na go stand up in a U, then your belly start swell and the juice do they do.
Yo dog, so you're right.
Yeah, I'm brighter than the bowl them over stadium, the earn my manifest and congregating on my cranium. Hello class, my name is Gila, and today we're going to do some simple mathematics, isn't it? Make sure you pay attention. Boom. Me I tell you man straight like the equation of a line mx plus c that equal to y. Nobody taught me no giant girl something me divide as square root of 9 one time so. At maths time come closer, bend you up like a x square parabola. Baby me know you never hard to read, me know you like the laws of indices. And 2 times 9 equal to your ties make 9 the subject and your ties divide in a 2. So the 9 na go stand up in a U, then your belly start swell and the juice do they do.
Yo dog, so you're right.
Yeah, I'm brighter than the bowl them over stadium, the earn my manifest and congregating on my cranium.
Now viewers, if you are one of those persons who already purchased your tickets or are looking forward to attending BUJU Banton's very first show in Jamaica, Long Walk to Freedom, then this article right here is for you. It says, security tight for BUJU's show. As the highly anticipated first leg of BUJU Banton's Long Walk to Freedom tour inches closer, organizers of the mega event say they are ready for the big day. In an exclusive interview, Marlon Burke of Solid Agency outlined the logistic details of the March 16 show that will be held at the National Stadium. He said that security for the event will be one of the tightest in concert history. Well aware of the magnitude of the event, Burke revealed a partnership between the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Atlas Protection and Security Pro, who will be providing security on the night. On the night, we are looking to have as much as 700 security personnel working different areas, if not more. The security will be split in 2 sections. One area will be covered the exterior of the stadium, the entrance gates into the parking area, and the first checkpoints for tickets. That area will be secured by Security Pro. The second entrance as well as the interior of the stadium will be secured by the Atlas Protection. All these areas will be supported by the JCF, who have been working with us every step of the way to ensure this event is secured properly. The security arrangement for the stadium, as you can imagine, has to be very detailed and very strong, and so we have put together a rigid plan for the event. The numbers expected are enormous, and so with that in mind, we have to pull out all the stops. Also be having strict no weapons policy, so no firearms, no knives, nothing of the sort.
Till I'm late to rest, yes, always be depressed, there's no life.
If you don't have your ticket already or you not get it yet, go and go get it, because you know it's a BUJU Banton event. I'm going to be well secured from every crevice, corner and curve. I'm going to be secured properly, so you don't have nothing to worry about when you go to the concert. You just going to go focus on having fun and full joy yourself. Whether you go with the family or you go with friends or you carry your man or you carry your girl, whichever one, BUJU Banton event is going to be totally secured in every way possible. Yo, me myself personally, me can't wait for the show to come, because I know that it's going to be an epic show, people. Real talk, and me just can't wait for the right. Yo, right on the stage, me I go there, you know. Come on, the next to Gargamel. Watch on now, watch but the clip them when I go see me there. Yes, Gargamel. Yes, viewers, watch another one. This has been another one from Ensemble TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Come on, to talk to me in the comment section about all the topics of the cover. You understand? Talk to me, let me know in the comment section if you attend the Long Walk to Freedom concert at Jamaica, or you gonna attend it in some other country. Let me know who wanna attend the Long Walk to Freedom. See? Also wanting to tell me about the brother where I do the maths song. You see, tell me what you think about theme freestyle as well. Yeah, more want to tell me about the brother where I come off an Alkaline tune. You see, watch out man, talk to me in the comment section. Once the comment makes sense, then we will definitely respond to you. See? Like, share, comment and subscribe. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.